Hello, I am Anurag Singh. I am from Satna. I am a BSc student of class third year. I am here to explain you what is Python interpreter. Let's start from definition. The definition of Python interpreter is the Python interpreter is a program that reads, interprets and executes Python code. Let's discuss about the first line. What the Python interpreter is a program. We have to firstly understand the Python interpreter is not other thing, not anything. It is just a program. The Python interpreter is just a program that reads, interprets and execute Python code that do the operation. What operation we will discuss later, but in it do the operation on which thing? It do the operation on Python code. The Python interpreter do all the operation on Python code. Firstly, we have to understand that the Python interpreter reads the Python code, and the Python interpreter interprets the Python code, but the Python interpreter executes the Python code. What meaning of reads? Meaning of reads means it read the code what is written on it. It interpret means it converts the code which required. If the interpreter want to convert it in on machine code, that means it will be convert the code in machine code. And what next, it will execute after all the thing, it will be execute. That means it will run the code. So we are again reading the first line of definition. The Python interpreter is a program that reads, interprets and executes the Python code. We will understand that the Python interpreter is a program that reads, interprets and executes the Python code. It takes the Python program and converts it in Python code. Sorry, it takes the Python program and converts into bytecode and then execute it line by line. That means where in first line we read the first line, the Python interpreter program that interprets. What interprets means, in second line we learn it takes the Python program, it will take the Python code and then converts it into bytecode, because the computer didn't know the English language. Python is written in English language and computer doesn't know the English language. So it will firstly read, understand the code, then it will, after understanding, it will convert into a bytecode. Then it will be executed in line by line. What means line by line? Why line by line? Firstly, we have to learn focus on why line by line. Why not all the code at once? Uh, we will be discuss that later. In next para, uh, the topic is coming. Python is in. We are moving to next para. Python is an interpreted language, which means that code is not compiled before execution, but rather interpreted at runtime. Here we are discussing why line by line execution being there. Python is interpreted language. We understand Python interpret, but why? What is difference between interpreted language and compiled time language? So, uh, compiled time language, like Java. Java is a compiled time language. What is compiled time language, and why? How we can differentiate the compiled time language and interpret? We can say runtime language or interpreted language. So, in compiled time language, firstly, code is go to compiler. Uh, like we write the code in Java, the we write the code Java. Let's suppose we write the logic of line number 1 to line number 10, any logic. So and we write two logic. One is line number 1 to 10 and the second logic in line number 20, 10 to 20. Then firstly what happens, the code, all the codes at once goes to compiler. Their compiler compile the code, all the code, find the, if any error at logic, it will be pop up, will show error there at compile time, the error is being held there. So uh, firstly the code will be compiled there, then it will be executed, then it will be go to execution, on execution. First it will be compiled. And in Python is an interpreted language. It it takes the Python code, and firstly it converts in bytecode. It simply converts in bytecode, or we can say machine code, which understand the computer, and it will be, it it will not be compiled, it will be directly taken to interpreter, and it will be executed in line by line. uh, Before we have given an example, if the first logic is written in line of first to 1 to 10, and second logic in 10 to 20. So firstly, after executing 10 lines, the first logic is going to run. Whether second logic have any error, the first logic is going to work. This is the pros of interpreted language. So be back to our definition. The Python interpreter is a program that reads, interprets, and executes the Python code. It takes the Python program and converts into bytecode, or we can say in machine code, and then executes it line by line. Python is an interpreted language, which means that code is not compiled before execution, but rather interpreted at runtime. Thank you.